Tired of spending hours hand washing your car only to find it still looks dirty? Here are the 5 best high-pressure car washing machines I've found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. The Westinghouse EPX 3500 Electric Pressure Washer, priced at $169. What caught my attention was its powerful 2500 max PSI and 1.76 max GPM. If you want a deep clean without breaking a sweat, this is worth a serious look. Now here's why this product solves your problem. The 2500 max PSI means you'll easily blast away dirt and grime from even the toughest spots on your car. It comes with a professional-grade steel wand and a 5-nozzle set, so you can adjust the pressure based on what you're cleaning. It also has an onboard soap tank, which means less hassle with messy soap bottles. With over 4,000 units sold just last month, people are clearly excited about it. This machine is built to make your cleaning tasks quicker and more effective, freeing up your weekends. Now, some people complained about its weight, which can be a bit cumbersome for some users. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for serious cleaning power, a little heft might not be a deal breaker for you. Just make sure you have it set up where you'll be using it most. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable machine for heavy-duty cleaning tasks like driveways and patios, or if you simply want your car to look like it just rolled off the showroom floor. But skip this one if you're looking for something super lightweight and portable. Now, if the weight of the Westinghouse EPX 3500 is a concern, the next option on my list might actually be even better for those who need something easier to maneuver. Product number 2. LWQ Portable Power Washer. The LWQ Portable Power Washer, coming in at just $99.99. This caught my eye because it's not only affordable, but also packs a punch with its 2.5 GPM water flow. If you want an effective cleaning solution without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why you might want this one. It features 4 quick connect nozzles, giving you the flexibility to tackle various cleaning tasks, whether it's your car or patio furniture. The 20-foot hose makes it easy to reach those hard-to-get spots without dragging the entire machine around. Plus, with its dual roller design and anti-tipping base, moving it around feels effortless. I noticed it's received quite the attention with over 3,000 units sold last month, which shows it's popular among budget-conscious consumers. Now, some users mentioned that the assembly can be a bit tricky, but honestly, once you get past that initial setup, the convenience it offers makes it worth it. If you're not looking for an all-day project, this might be a minor hurdle. This is perfect for you if you need something lightweight and easy to store, especially if you don't have much space. But if you're looking for heavy-duty or industrial-grade cleaning, you might want to pass on this one. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next product is another strong contender that offers a bit more power for similar money. Product number 3. Westinghouse EPX 3100V. We have the Westinghouse EPX 3100V priced at $129. This model really caught my attention with its 2100 max PSI and detachable foam cannon. If you want something that effectively cleans and also offers great features, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this product stands out. The 2100 max PSI is more than enough to tackle everyday dirt and grime, and the foam cannon helps distribute soap evenly, so your car gets a thorough wash every time. It's equipped with a built-in carry handle for easy transport, which means you can take it anywhere on your property without hassle. With 2,000 plus units sold last month, it seems like a lot of people are finding it useful for their cleaning needs. However, I did see a few complaints about the hose being a bit short, but here's the thing. You can always get an extension hose if you need more reach, and that's a fairly easy fix for most people. This is perfect for you if you want a solid, reliable machine that balances power and features well. But skip this one if you're looking for the absolute maximum cleaning power available. Now, if the hose length of the Westinghouse EPX 3100V is something that bothers you, the next product is designed to give you a little more flexibility. Product number 4, the Westinghouse EPX 3100. The Westinghouse EPX 3100, priced at $139, this unit grabbed my attention thanks to its 2300 max PSI and anti-tipping technology. If you want something that provides a high-pressure clean with stability, this is worth a serious look. So why should you consider this one? The 2300 max PSI is powerful enough to handle tougher stains, making it great for cars, driveways, and even outdoor furniture. The anti-tipping feature ensures it stays stable while you're using it, which is super convenient when you're juggling cleaning tasks. Over 2,000 units sold last month shows that it's gaining traction among users who appreciate reliability and performance. However, a few users have pointed out that it can be slightly noisy. Here's the thing, most pressure washers get loud, and if you're using it for a quick clean, it's usually not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful washer that can tackle a variety of cleaning needs without worrying about it tipping over. But skip this one if you're sensitive to noise or live in a quiet neighborhood. Now, if the noise of the Westinghouse EPX 3100 worried you, the final product might be just the right balance for a quieter experience. Product number 5, LWQ Power Washer. We have the LWQ Power Washer, also priced at $99.99. What stuck out to me was its compact design combined with powerful features. If you're looking for an affordable yet effective cleaning machine, this one is worth a serious look. Here's why this product could be a great fit. It has a maximum flow rate of 2.5 GPM, ensuring you can clean efficiently without wasting water. The 4 quick connect nozzles provide variety, allowing you to customize your cleaning experience based on the surface. With over 1,000 units sold last month, it's clear that this product resonates with those looking for budget-friendly options. On the downside, some users indicated that it might not be powerful enough for heavy-duty tasks. But honestly, for most everyday cleaning around the house and for your car, it does a fantastic job. If you're not cleaning commercial-grade spaces, this shouldn't be an issue. This is perfect for you if you want something that's easy to use and store, especially if you have limited space. But skip this one if you need something for heavy-duty or frequent use. Now that we've covered all 5 options, let's wrap this up. So to quickly recap, we had the powerful Westinghouse EPX 3500, the budget-friendly LWQ portable washer, the efficient Westinghouse EPX 3100V, the stable Westinghouse EPX 3100, and the compact LWQ power washer. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Westinghouse EPX 3500 because it delivers serious cleaning power and features that justify its price. On the flip side, avoid the LWQ portable washer if you're looking for something that can handle heavy-duty tasks consistently.